is another great example of a fun day on the set with Nick Naka and Amy Davis. I was invited to create some beautiful wigs according to my interpretation of Marie Antoinette. I personally love sharing all the details that it takes to create this amazing photo. Behind the scenes, we have hair, we have makeup, we have costume, we have the beautiful model, we have the amazing photographer. There are so many moving parts that it takes to put together a team like this in order to create a beautiful work of art. Here is my favorite part. Once the image comes together, everybody's excited and happy. As if one wig wasn't enough, we went into our second look, which is super exciting. And as you can see, it's a lighter white in color wig that created a little bit more of an icy look. I believe together as a team, when you take a group of people, you can create amazing things. And here's a perfect example of a perfect day in studio having fun with the creative team.